How to delete your WhatsApp chat backup from Google Drive. First of all, open the Google Drive on your phone or computer. I will show you how to do it on both. Once you are in the app, tap on the line at the top left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Backup. Here you will see a list of all backups associated with your Google account. Look for the WhatsApp backup that you want to delete. It will be labeled with your phone number and the backup time. Now tap on the backup and you will see the delete backup option. Tap on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure about deleting the backup. Tap delete on confirm. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Also let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with anything else. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.